Good morning, everyone. It is the day after Valentine's Day. It's February 15th, and I decided I want to try vlogging today. It is currently 7:23. I woke up at 7. I got ready, I got dressed for the day. I sat down and I ate some apple chips. Like, they're just dehydrated apples. What is the brand? I already threw the thing in the trash. Bear apple chips. I think that's how I say it. And then I already drank my morning 16 ounces of water, and then now I'm going to drink this for breakfast. I have an 8 a.m. lab for physics. That'll go for 3 hours. It's from 8 to 10:45. But normally I'm there until 11, so I'm not too thrilled about that because after every physics lab we have to write a lab paper, which is very time consuming. And then I have Calc Lecture from 11:15 to 12:05, and then I have physics discussion from 12:20 to 1, I think it's 1:10, 1:05, I'm not sure. And then I'm gonna get on the BU bus and then go to the medical campus until about 6. So it'll be a fun, packed, busy day. I'm already really tired, so I will be very tired by the end of the day. But I am beginning my morning. I just ate a little bit, trying to get hydrated, checking my emails for the morning. Yeah, I'm gonna head out at like 7:45, so I have like 15 more minutes. So I'm walking to my 8 a.m. class now. It's 7:45, so I'm on time. I made the horrible choice not to check the weather forecast today though, because this is what the sky looks like. It's definitely gonna rain and I'm wearing sneakers, so that was a bad idea. Oops. So it looks like I'll be at some point coming home with wet shoes tonight. This is Mass Ave in the mornings. I got to physics lab pretty early and there's no one here yet. So instead of waiting at the door, I decided to sit in like the chemistry lounge area. So that's what I'm doing. I'm waiting for Eliana. She's one of my friends and she's also in this in this physics lab. So it'll be fun. 3 hours of physics. Yeah, that's the room we're supposed to be in. And our TF always shows up late. Eliana just showed up. And we're gonna do some physics prep before lab. Physics. When your physics graphs look like contemporary art. Look at our beautiful graphs now. We made it work. Eliana's my superhero today. Hi, I just finished physics and this was like scrap paper from the physics. We finished collecting all the data and did some brief analysis, but Eliana and I are gonna meet up at 4:30 today to like make the analysis look nice and stuff and finish our paper. So that means I'm gonna be leaving lab a little bit early because normally I leave lab at 6, but Eliana's going to a Celtics game tonight, so I said I could leave lab early so that we could finish it before she went to the game. So that's what's happening. Physics lab in the morning is always a wild one, and now I'm in calculus. A bunch of people here from the previous class, but I saw my professor in the hallway, so waiting for him to get here. I have to ask him a question before class about this week's homework, and it should be a good class. And then I have physics discussion after.
Announcements. Next Tuesday is your first midterm. So next Tuesday.
I just finished physics discussion. I think I did a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 5 problems, which was not the best. So I probably should go finish the packet when I get back. But I love physics discussion because my TA is the best. And she's really good at explaining things and answering questions. But now I am waiting for the bus to go to lab. And I'll be there until 4:30. And then I'm gonna come back and do physics. So it'll be fun. Look at the sky. The bus is here. doing fish work today. I'm gonna meet Soden at the lab, and then we're gonna walk over to the fish facility. I'm not sure what we're doing today, but I'm excited. I haven't been here for a while. It's been like about a week. So yeah, it'll be nice to do something new. Walk into lab. I got some autoclaved tips to start my day. I'm waiting to go up the elevator that's not broken. I just came back from lab and I'm on the main campus now. I did some fish breeding. What was it? Yeah, I was doing fish breeding. I was gendering like male, females and putting them in the smaller tanks, and then they'll breed like tomorrow or something. And now I'm going back and it's 4:30. So I left a little bit early because there was a lab meeting and I was like, if I'm gonna be missing half of it, I might as well just miss the whole thing. And so I'm walking to Warren because that's where Eliana wanted to meet to do the physics lab. I'm hungry because I haven't eaten all day. So I'm gonna eat something and then we'll do physics together, and then we'll see what I do after that. Look at the pretty sunset. Oh, you can't see it. It's pretty, trust me. Up the escalators. I found Kriya in the dining hall, and then I found Eliana. And I'm trying to eat, and we're gonna do physics. I was FaceTiming with my dad here, so somehow the audio didn't record, but I was trying to tell you that I was working on physics lab and that I was eating stir fry because there was no line, so I got stir fry, and here was some of my physics papers. And I was trying to tell you that I was almost done and I was FaceTiming my dad. At this point, I was still FaceTiming with my dad, so the audio still didn't record, and I didn't really know that, but I was trying to tell you that for dinner, I brought Eugene back a little cup full of a cupcake and some M&Ms, and it was like brownie cake, so I got her that too, because she requested something with chocolate for dinner, and I was talking about how it was a very healthy dinner, and I was talking about the stuff that I had to do tonight, which was turning in my written physics homework for the week, and doing some chem problems, and other than that I was chill for the night, so I was just gonna watch some YouTube and read a book and shower and get ready for bed. I just finished showering. I've also been sitting here watching some YouTube for a bit now. Eugene just came home and she's in the shower now. It's 8:20. I turned in my physics homework for the week already. I have one calculus problem to do that I had a question about that I asked during class today that my professor did not really answer. So I'm just gonna like figure it out. And then I'm gonna do 5 chem problems because I typically like to space chem problems out, so I'll do like 5 a day. So 5 chem problems. We're doing rate law right now, which is a good unit. I like this unit, so it'll be fast. And then I'm just gonna watch YouTube for the night. Probably should study for my midterms, but that can happen later. Alright, I'll see you. Bye!